Selling ebooks is one of the ways you can make a lot of money from the internet. Now, if you have been looking for a place where you can sell your digital products, make sure to watch this video to the end, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a new platform that I discovered that you can sell your product, your ebooks, your digital product. Basically, this is a very user-friendly platform that I discovered. I'm just going to show you what the platform is, and then if you want to learn more, we can now do another video. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. Please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online. So please just like, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So I'll go to my Chrome now and open this, right? So this right here is the platform. The name of the platform is called Earnof. With this platform, you can sell your digital products. If you are an ebook creator, a course creator, you can sell your music sheets, your templates, your meal tickets, your event tickets, your softwares, your links to different things, your coloring book. As long as it's a digital product, you can sell them here. So basically, once you land on this page, this is what you are going to be seeing. Okay, so you come here, you scroll. If we scroll now, you can see different details about the site. As you can see, it says sell different types of digital products. You can sell ebooks, you can sell courses and memberships, you can sell services, you can sell event tickets to your trainings. Okay, so if you have physical training, you have online training, and you want to sell tickets, you can do that here. If you want to sell your music, yes, if you're a voiceover artist, you're a narrator, you're a podcast artist, you are a musician, you can sell your MP3s using this platform. Now, the next thing is your template. You can sell templates, designs, planners, and different kinds of templates. So how does it work exactly? It's very simple. Selling your digital product here is very, very, very simple. All you need to do is to first sign up. All right, sign up by clicking the start selling now button that you see here, this green button. All right, so you locate it anywhere on the website, click on it, and you start your process. So once you click on it, you sign up, you fill up all the details. All right, next thing is to upload your digital product. All right, you upload your digital product. Maybe you have it on your YouTube, you can copy the link and put it on a PDF and post it here. All right, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in another video, so please make sure that you check this channel again. Okay, and the next thing is for you to customize. What we mean by customize is for you to personalize your store. That means you're editing your store to suit what your business is about. And then the next thing is to publish and share and sell. What that means is that you need to promote your link. It's not enough for you to just upload your product. The next thing after uploading is to promote your link. All right, you can see here more details about the business. If you scroll down, why people love us: because we sell digital goods, instant payout, easy to use, very, very easy to use, especially if you're a beginner and you don't like too much stress. All right, custom storefront, meaning that you can customize your storefront to suit whatever you are doing. Now, this is borderless. All right, meaning that there's no shipping, there's no customs, there's nothing to restrict you from selling. So even if you are not in Nigeria, you can use this. As long as you're an African, you can use this. You can even sell to people outside the country. So, and there's support. All right, so you can see more details about the website. So right here you can see a testimonial from somebody who has used this site before. So you can see different testimonials. You can see different testimonials from different people. If you scroll down, you're going to see more. So let's go down. Let me show you something. You can see this place that says other feature. You can even come here to download their free guide. Are you seeing this now? download their free guide. This is like a bonus for you so that you can have idea of how to go about selling your digital product and all of that. So you click here and download. It's free of charge. So the next thing here is that you can watch their tutorials on their YouTube. So make sure that you follow them on YouTube. Come here, click on visit. It will take you straight to their YouTube, and then here you can see whatever is coming next. I don't know if they have anything coming next, but in your own case, please make sure to be checking these things, all right? As long as you're going to be selling with this platform. So from time to time, they are going to be updating these things, and you can, check them out. So you can see here, says return, ready to turn your skills into income. Click start selling. Once you click start selling, it's going to open up a form for you to start filling to sign up. Okay, you can follow them on their social media. Yes, so if you go down, you can see different things. So all you need to do is to click on all these things. So please make sure that you check the terms and conditions, check the policies. If you have questions, you can check the FAQ session, check all these things. So let's scroll to the top and let's just see other things here. So if you come to the top right, you're going to see 3 horizontal lines. Click on it. You're going to see the home section, how it works. You click on it. If you want to log in, that's when you've signed up. If you want to contact them, you can click on the contact button. So this is a very good platform for you to start with if you sell digital product. This is a platform you can try, all right, for those of you who want to be selling digital product. In my next video, I'm going to make a video showing you exactly how to sign up on this platform, but you don't need to wait for me. You can go ahead and sign up. But if you want me to make that video, go to the comment section and drop a video for me. Drop a message for me telling me that you want me to make a follow-up video. All right, and please make sure to check the link in the description for more details if you want to see more details of my products, because I'm going to be uploading my products here so that I can test how their platform works. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping my product, so please check the link in the description to see more details about that. So that's all I'm going to do for this video. My name is Awajima. Please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I share contents like this. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.